Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, we're going to talk about Zen business. Is it actually good? And what are the pros, cons? And of course, how much does it really cost? Let's break it all down. So, what is Zen Business? It's an online platform that helps you form an LLC, corporation, or other business entity without needing to hire a lawyer or do tons of paperwork yourself. They also offer ongoing services like annual report filings, registered agent service, and worry free compliance reminders. It's super beginner friendly. The dashboard walks you through every step competitive pricing compared to hiring an attorney. They also have great customer support, chat, phone, and email with fast response times. They also have free LLC filing plan. You only pay the mandatory state fee, which is great if you're on a tight budget. And lastly are the extra tools like operating agreement templates, business website help, and EIN acquisition. Now, the cons. First are lots of upsells during checkout. You have to watch carefully to avoid adding services you might not need. Turnaround time depends heavily on your state's filing speed, which isn't always clear upfront. And lastly, their free plan doesn't include some things you might assume it does, like registered agent service, so you'll likely pay more if you need that. And now let's talk about pricing. As of 2025, Zen Business offers three main plans. First are Starter, which is free. You only pay the state fee. Good if you just need the basics. They also have Pro, which costs $199 a year. This adds things like operating agreement templates and faster filing. And they also have the premium, which will cost you $349 a year. This includes business website, domain, email, and rush filing. Remember, you will still need to pay annual state fees, and if you want registered agent service, that's usually around $199 a year. So, is Zen Business worth it? If you're a new business owner who wants an affordable, stress free way to get started, yes. Just be mindful of the add ons so you don't end up paying for services you won't use. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye.